Now we're going to let it just sit a little bit. Let the all-purpose cleaner just kind of start to lift up the dirt. And then after that, we'll be using a brush. You can use like boar hair, or you can just get one like what I have. So as you can see, I'm going to be using 3 brushes. The kit that I got came with 5 or 6 of these, and then this one I just got it from Amazon. Everything will be linked in description down below. This one I believe is through Chemical guys, and then this one I got it like 5 years ago, so I'm not 100% sure what the brand was, but it works pretty good, and I still haven't had a problem using these. A lot of time I use these for interior vents, obviously not wet, so it's kind of nice to have like 5 or 6 brushes, because it comes with the smaller ones, so you can use it for like very small crevices. I also have just bucket of water with a tire brush that I'm also going to be using for like just in between the cracks. Hopefully that will help with cleaning all this. Obviously, you're not going to be able to get every single component unless you take the engine out, which is ridiculous. So for this, you're just going to do as much as possible just to make it better. So it will help with being able to sell the vehicle a little bit easier. Obviously, nobody really want to buy a vehicle that's like a lot of grime and look like shit. So hopefully this will help with being able to sell the vehicle a little bit easier. It also show that you actually cared about your vehicle more than just selling it with full of dirt and grime. Like this vehicle doesn't have any oil leak or anything like that, as I've been working on this vehicle. So now as you can see, I scrubbed everything down, and now I'm going to be using this just in between and try to get as much grime as possible. Then I will rinse it after, and then it should be all good. this breakaway. This greasy green, greasy clean from Genius Detail. So I'll be using the greasy clean first. The reason why I use greasy clean on this vehicle more than the breakaway, it's because this vehicle actually doesn't produce as much brake dust. Other So what I'm going to be using is this. Don't know if it's going to focus or not. It's called Back to Black. I'll see how well it works on this black trim. I'm just gonna spray on the towel and then rub it on the plastic parts. This towel is actually clean, it's just stained. It definitely makes the black plastic a little bit shinier and looks actually newer, which is kind of cool. Now there are other products out there, but I didn't really have to buy them, or yeah, I didn't really have to buy them, and also didn't really want to buy it if I didn't have to. So I just wanted to try this kind and see how things would look like. And so far, it works really good on like the black hoses like here. And it looks like it's kind of hydrophobic too. I don't know how well you guys would be able to see on like the black trim color coming back, but I think I like it. I like using this product, or I'm sure other products would work the same. Doesn't mean you have to buy this product or anything. I'm just using what I have right now. I'm not one of those people who would just go and buy and then say you need to buy this product kind of thing. If you have it, it's great. If you don't, it is what it is. I'll just do the rubber gasket on the top part too, the weather seal. Just give it a little bit of shine. Okay, that should be it. So this is how it turned out. Just bring the light over here. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like after using the spray on the towel. As you can see, the plastic does look pretty new. Gives a little bit shine, but not too much shine. It doesn't look greasy or anything. You know how some products leave like a little foam on it, but looks like this product actually doesn't do that, which I'm actually pretty surprised with. I also did this area. This is a different plastic. This and even this part, I put that spray on, so I think it actually looks pretty good. So for the paint touch-up, I'm going to make it as a part 2, as it feels like this this video it feels pretty long. So I'm just gonna make it as part 2, and then make interior detailing as part 3.